Hi friends, welcome to Kalahasthi Facts YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about world topmost women political leaders from Static GK Part 2 for competitive examinations. Here's a continuation with additional notable women political leaders who have left their mark globally. Kamala Harris from United States. Kamala Harris became the first female Vice President of the United States in 2021, as well as the first Black and South Asian individual to hold the position. Her role has been pivotal in shaping US domestic and international policies. Michelle Bachelet from Chile. Michelle Bachelet served as President of Chile for two terms, 2006 to 2010 and 2014 to 2018. She was also the first executive director of UN Women and later the UN High Commissioner for Human Rights. Cristina Fernandez de Kirchner from Argentina. As President of Argentina from 2007 to 2015 and later Vice President from 2019 to present, Kirchner has played a key role in the nation's politics, focusing on social justice and economic development. Sanna Marin from Finland. In 2019, Sanna Marin becomes the world's youngest sitting Prime Minister at age 34. She led Finland with progressive policies and navigated the COVID-19 pandemic effectively. Tsai Ing-wen from Taiwan. The first female president of Taiwan from 2016 to present, Tsai Ing-wen is noted for strengthening Taiwan's global presence and its stance on democracy and independence from China. Aung San Suu Kyi from Myanmar. Aung San Suu Kyi, a Nobel Peace Prize laureate, was a symbol of democracy in Myanmar. Despite controversies in her latter leadership, her decades-long struggle against military dictatorship remains significant. Kolinda Grabar-Kitarovic from Croatia. The first woman to serve as President of Croatia from 2015 to 2020, Grabar-Kitarovic promoted international cooperation and was a strong advocate for NATO and EU integration. Erna Solberg from Norway. Prime Minister of Norway from 2013 to 2021, Solberg is known for her focus on education, sustainable development and economic policies that solidified Norway's global standing. Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala from World Trade Organization. Through not leading a nation, Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala became the first woman and first African Director General of the WTO in 2021, playing a pivotal role in shaping global trade policies. Mia Mottley from Barbados. Mottley is the Prime Minister of Barbados from 2018 to present. She gained global recognition for her leadership in transitioning Barbados to a republic and for her outspoken stance on climatic change. These leaders are shaping global narratives across continents, standing as role models for aspiring women leaders worldwide. Let me know if you don't like more information about any of them. Please comment us and do like, share and subscribe for more videos. And thank you for watching.